Fast charging not working on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guiding Studio, and today's guide will show you the step-by-step guide if your Samsung phone fast charging not working and is charging very slow. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, it's not to fix the fast charging problem on any Samsung phone. You just need to check out the settings first. You just need to head over to the settings of your Samsung phone and then scroll down to the very bottom, and here we get the option battery and device care. You just need to tap on these, and inside this one you'll get to see the battery option. You just need to tap on this, and inside the battery information you just need to scroll down a little bit, and you'll get the charging settings. You just need to tap on this and make sure it's enabled, show charging information, and the very important one, the fast charging should be enabled. If it's toggle off, you just go ahead and enable this. And if your device does support super fast charging, and you just need to enable this feature as well. Or if you're charging your phone wirelessly, then make sure to enable the fast wireless charger as well. You just need to make sure that you have enabled all these features from here. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, try charging the fast charger with your phone, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if any case, after doing all this process, if your phone is not fast charging, then all you have to do is just need to check your charging adapter and the cable. If your charging adapter and cable is faulty, then it may prevent your phone from charging fast. So all you have to do, you can try charging your phone with a different charger and see if that fixes your problem or not. And most likely one of this process will fix your problem and your Samsung phone will start charging super fast. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.